Guys, we changed, we took bath, showers, and now I'm gonna vibe.
I'm going What's up, guys? This is your boy Nkupi, the entertainer. Well, today I'm with Brill, and we're going to Nobody, whereby Topless team is going to perform, and we're accompanying them. We'll show you what they're gonna do on stage. We'll show you the vlog they are performing on stage. Yeah, Brill, bro.
What's good?
What's up, bro? In fact, this is the first time you see Brill on the show, but I can guarantee you that you're gonna see him very often. He's also doing music. He's also doing a lot of hip-hop music. He's doing a lot in the entertainment industry. You're gonna see him. I'm not gonna introduce him so much. I want you to see his work. So yeah, let's have some fun. Let's go to Nobody and see what Team Topless shares. Hey guys, the journey has been a little bit long, but we have arrived. I'm not sure if this is the destination, but surely know the circle. Yeah, it's Nobody, Ramutiba. If you see this garage next to me, I'm not gonna mention it by name, but you do see it. So we're almost there. I don't know if we're gonna go to those places where you see cars parked next to the road, or we're still going somewhere deep inside this place. I don't know. Let's follow the Topless Polo and find out. Now we are entering Baledi Mall. Baledi Mall, we are here. Are we lost? We lost, bro. Yeah, surely lost. Let's go back. I don't know what to use. I don't know what shall I. Let's not wait to hear what they need to say. We got lost. We are here. The place is called, we will see. We are here, and the place is called, what is it called? It's my first time here. I haven't even seen this already. It's new. Is it new? It looks new. Okay, it is new. Wait a minute, I've seen this on social media. So guys, we got here. I'm still with Brill, and there's Naqua production up there with Bunny Sex. So yeah, it's gonna show you the whole performance. Enjoy.
President Estrada, I can die, I can face, I can blow.
Guys, that's all we have for this nice, beautiful show. The show on a Tuesday, clubbing on a Tuesday. Yeah, we're leaving now. Brill. Look, it's looking all cold and all of that. Yeah, guys, let's go home.